Hi, I'm Mario Majorana, Chief Engineer for Super Cruise. I'm here to walk you through Super Cruise, the industry's first true hands-free driver assistance system for enabled roads. The all-new 2021 Cadillac Escalade is the first full-size SUV to feature this technology. Unlike other driver assistance systems, Super Cruise utilizes two advanced technology systems, a driver attention system and precision LiDAR map data to provide added confidence for the driver. Super Cruise was the first driver assistance technology to use precision LiDAR map data, in addition to real-time cameras, sensors, and GPS. The LiDAR mapping technology enables Super Cruise to be used on more than 200,000 miles of compatible highways, and there's more to come. The driver attention system uses a small camera located on the top of the steering column and works with infrared lights to determine where the driver is looking whenever Super Cruise is in operation. If the driver attention system detects the driver has turned their gaze away from the road ahead for too long, it will prompt the driver to return their attention to the road. If the system determines continued inattentiveness, a steering wheel light bar guides the driver to look at the road or take back control of the wheel. Additionally, the new Escalade has a number of cameras and radars that support Super Cruise functionality. Enhanced Super Cruise is available on the 2021 Escalade, which includes new features like lane change on demand, allowing the hands-free system to change lanes on the highway when requested by the driver and certain conditions are met. Enhanced Super Cruise also includes performance and ease of use improvements, such as richer map information, improved software controls, and user interface improvements. These enhancements help make Super Cruise even more intuitive. Customer response to Super Cruise has been strong. Our research tells us that customers are driving more than 70,000 total miles weekly on average, and over 85% of current Cadillac CT6 owners said they would prefer or only consider a vehicle equipped with Super Cruise. We've heard this feedback, and we will be rolling out Super Cruise across the Cadillac lineup.